Imagine the freedom of the open sea and the versatility of land exploration, all in one vessel. Welcome to the world of the Sealegs 12 RC. This amphibious marvel stretches to a length of 12.3 meters, with a beam of 2.8 meters. Its 940mm diameter tires effortlessly transition from sea to shore, supporting a gross weight of 7,500 kilograms. Power? The 12RC brings you two 400 horsepower outboards. For comfort, step inside the enclosed cabin with an electrically operated glass divider. The hull sports a 15-degree dead rise at the transom, all crafted from 6mm marine-grade aluminum. In the words of Sealegs CEO David McKee Wright, the 12RC defines the new standard of freedom, luxury and comfort in an amphibious craft. It's not just a boat, it's a Sealegs 12RC, the epitome of luxury, comfort and limitless possibilities. Imagine the freedom of seamlessly transitioning from land to sea, without the need to change your vessel. Welcome to the world of StabiX 288WT. An amphibious marvel, this boat brings you the convenience of a walk-through cabin and the luxury of a full-width cabin. The powder-coated roof and cabin are not only aesthetically pleasing but also add an extra layer of durability. Built to last, the StabiX 288WT is ready to weather any storm, be it on land or at sea. And let's not forget about the wheels. These aren't your ordinary boat wheels, oh no, they're designed for robustness, ensuring a smooth transition from the shore to the water and back again. So why limit your adventures to just one terrain? With the StabiX 288WT, you can explore the land and the sea all in one journey. Experience the best of both worlds with StabiX 288WT. Discover the Bisy, an innovative amphibious marvel by Gibbs Sports Amphibians. This motorcycle jet ski hybrid transitions from land to water with just a flick of a button. Its unique hollow design allows riders to float, merging the thrill of motorcycling with the adventure of water sports. Equipped with twin-jet propulsion and a single seat, the Bisy is designed for high-speed fun. It can plane in under 3 seconds, ensuring a smooth transition from cruising on the highway to gliding over waves. In less than 5 seconds, the Bisy's wheels retract, and the jet propulsion system kicks in, transforming your motorcycle into a fully functional watercraft. This innovative design is the brainchild of Alan Gibbs, the same genius who brought us the Aquita, the world's first high-performance amphibious car. The Bisy, a revolutionary way to experience the open road and open water. Welcome to a world where tough terrain is no longer a challenge. Introducing the Argo 8X8 Outfitter, the ultimate vehicle for hunting camp operators, lodge owners and big game guides. This beast is built to conquer the most daunting landscapes across the globe. At its heart, a 4-cycle OHV V-twin petrol engine roars, propelling the outfitter to speeds between 18 and 20 miles per hour, load and land dependent. And when the sun dips below the horizon, the journey doesn't have to end. 2 high-powered LED headlamps and floodlights cut through the darkness, illuminating the path ahead. For those who demand versatility, the outfitter offers optional 18-inch rubber tracks. Install them when you need that extra grip, remove them when you don't. The Argo 8X8 Outfitter. Because the world is full of challenges, but getting there shouldn't be one of them. Imagine a vehicle that defies all terrain, a sturdy companion that carries you and your cargo, no matter the landscape. That's the ZVM Uzola for you, a medium-weight, all-terrain tracked vehicle designed with your needs in mind. Brought to you by Rausimpex, this robust vehicle can dash through muddy swamps, cruise over desert sands and even tackle the challenging Zazniezenem Terrenu or Po Blatek. It's not just about conquering the terrain, it's about doing so with safety and comfort at high speeds. Whether it's people or cargo, the ZVM Uzola proves to be a reliable transporter, making it a popular choice across the European market. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an all-terrain marvel that redefines your journey, making the impossible possible. Experience the ZVM Uzola, experience the freedom of no boundaries. Output. In the world of multi-role armored vehicles, one name stands out, the Storm. A product of Ukrainian company Highland Systems, this impressive machine is crafted in the United Arab Emirates. Its imposing dimensions, stretching 5.88 meters in length, 2.87 meters in width, and 2.36 meters in height, make it a formidable presence on any terrain. The Storm is no lightweight either, boasting a gross vehicle weight of 8,000 kilograms, but don't let its size fool you. This armored vehicle comfortably accommodates up to 6 people. What truly sets the Storm apart is its hybrid amphibious capabilities. Land or water, This vehicle is designed to conquer, and with a laser weapon equipped, it's not just a vehicle, it's a force to be reckoned with. Join the ranks of the Storm, where power meets versatility in the most extraordinary way. This is the future of armored vehicles today. Welcome to the Storm. In the year 2015, a revelation was made by Singapore Technologies Kinetics, also known as STK. They announced the production of the Humdingera, a groundbreaking amphibious 4x4 truck. This wasn't just any announcement, it was the dawn of a new era in vehicular innovation. This monumental event took place at IMDEX Asia, the International Maritime Defense Exhibition. Known as the leading event for naval and maritime defense in the Asia-Pacific, it's a hub of innovation and technological advancements. Fast forward to 2025, this exhibition continues to thrive. From May 6th to 8th, the Changi Exhibition Center will be buzzing. A staggering 12,000 attendees from 70 countries will gather, joined by 250 exhibitors from 25 countries. The Humdingera, the brainchild of STK, will be a symbol of progress, and IMDEX Asia, the stage for unveiling the future. This is the power of innovation. It drives us forward, pushing boundaries and making the impossible possible. Stay tuned, for the future is here and it is nothing short of extraordinary. Emerging from the rugged landscapes of Ukraine, Sherp is a name synonymous with extreme off-road performance. Crafting utility task vehicles that defy the harshest elements, Sherp is the choice of rescue workers, oil field operators, hunters, and those who live for the thrill. The Sherp Pro 1000, an all-terrain champion, boasts a robust diesel engine. It thrives in any climate, reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. With a maximum gradability of 35 degrees, it can navigate marshes, deep snow, and even transition from water to ice with ease. The Sherp N1200, a four-wheel drive marvel, conquers dense forests, marshlands, and icy terrains. It can float on any water body, climb up to 3,000 meters above sea level, and overcome obstacles towering 1 meter high. From smoke and fog to blizzards and hurricanes, it's unstoppable. With a carrying capacity of 1,200 kilograms, it can transport up to 9 people. Then we have the Sherp the Arc 3400, two interconnected units operating as a single vehicle. Sherp, the ultimate choice for extreme conditions. The world is your playground, conquer it with Sherp. Unveiling the Voro Shaman, a Russian marvel of engineering. This 8x8 all-terrain vehicle is a breed apart. Equipped with a 4-cylinder diesel engine, low-pressure tires, and a captain's chair driving position, it's designed to take on the wild with unmatched prowess. With 3 drive modes, the Shaman is not just a machine, it's a beast ready to conquer any terrain. Its power? An impressive 146 horsepower and 352 Nm of torque. But that's not all. With an optional water navigation feature, this ATV defies the boundaries between land and water. Fueling this beast is a massive 264-liter tank, ensuring long, uninterrupted adventures. And with room for 8, it's not just a ride, it's an experience. In March of 2018, the Shaman made its mark globally when it was delivered to the Defense Force of Haiti. The Voro Shaman, redefining off-roading one terrain at a time. Loop back for more fascinating insights. Welcome to the world of the Watercar Panther, an amphibious marvel that effortlessly glides over land and water, reaching speeds of 80 miles per hour on land and a breathtaking 45 miles per hour on water. Born in 2013 after 14 long years of meticulous development by Dave March, this incredible machine is a testament to human innovation. Produced in the heart of Fountain Valley, California, the Panther is an exciting addition to the auto industry, challenging auto mechanics and thrilling auto enthusiasts alike with its unique capabilities. At its heart lies a powerful 3.7-liter Honda V6 engine, cleverly positioned behind the rear axle for optimal performance. The Watercar Panther doesn't just cross boundaries, it erases them, redefining what it means to travel. Experience the thrill of the open road and the serenity of the open water, all in one ride. The Panther truly is the king of versatility. Join us on this extraordinary journey, where the only limits are those of your own imagination.